Ready to upgrade your outdoor adventures? Today we are counting down 20 mind-blowing camping inventions you didn't know existed. Forget standard camping gear. These cool viral camping gadgets and high-tech survival gear solutions will completely change how you camp. We are highlighting the ultimate camping equipment, from solar-powered camp kitchen tools to revolutionary backpacking gear. These must-have camping gear items make roughing it feel like a luxury resort. Hit that subscribe button for the best outdoor gear reviews. Let's dive into these incredible new camping inventions. Enjoy spacious comfort and effortless camping wherever your adventure leads. Introducing the Yoleny Inflatable Camping Tent, an 8 to 10 person large family glamping tent with a pump, an easy setup blow-up tent with a stove jack, mesh windows, an extended canopy, and a waterproof, windproof outdoor shelter designed for relaxing outdoor living. It becomes necessary for family camping and group adventures where quick setup, comfort, and weather protection matter most. The extra-large interior features separate living and sleeping areas with an extended canopy for additional shaded space. It's a one-piece inflatable structure that inflates in minutes, while a breathable polyester blend cotton fabric, mesh windows, roof vents, blackout curtains, and a flame-retardant stove jack provide year-round comfort and versatility. Stay cool and comfortable no matter where your adventure leads. Introducing the Koonie Portable Camping Fan, a misting desk fan with a remote, a 360 milliliter water tank, a 16,000 milliamp-hour battery, 5 speeds, a timer, and 18 to 70 working hours, perfect for RV camping, hurricane emergencies, and outdoor travel. The upgrade spray fan delivers a refreshing mist with cool airflow, while auto oscillation spreads the breeze across a wider area. Remote and button controls make operation effortless, and the built-in timer, adjustable light, hidden hanging hook, and USB charging capability add everyday convenience. It is ideal for camping, power outages, road trips, tents, and outdoor relaxation. Keep every adventure organized and every load moving with ease. Meet the Sunnyfeel Folding Wagon Cart, a 500-pound heavy-duty collapsible utility wagon with all-terrain big wheels and a drop-down tailgate, offering a spacious 400-liter large-capacity wagon for camping, gardening, beach trips, and outdoor activities. Its reinforced steel frame and durable Oxford fabric provide dependable strength for hauling heavy gear, while the smart double-deck design keeps bulky and smaller items neatly separated. The drop-down tailgate makes transporting long equipment effortless, and the large all-terrain wheels with 360-degree rotating front wheels ensure smooth movement across grass, sand, gravel, and trails. It folds compactly for easy storage and transport. Stay clean and refreshed wherever the trail takes you. Introducing the Necaces Pressurized Water Tank, a portable aluminum camping shower water storage with a spray hose for overland off-road vehicles, pickup trucks, and outdoor activities water supply. Built from lightweight aluminum with a durable black powder-coated finish and brass hardware, it is designed for long-lasting performance and leak-free reliability. The pressurized system delivers up to 450 kilopascals with automatic pressure relief for safe operation, while sunlight naturally warms the water for a more comfortable rinse. It is perfect for camping, beach trips, off-road adventures, cleaning gear, washing pets, and maintaining a cleaner vehicle interior. Serve every gathering with style and create lasting memories. Introducing the Nianjida Cheese Board and Knife Set, a foldable bamboo charcuterie board designed as a unique RV-shaped cheese-cutting board and a thoughtful birthday gift for mom and dad, a housewarming gift for women and men, and a wedding gift for couples. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, it folds for compact storage while offering a durable surface for serving cheeses, appetizers, and snacks. The distinctive camper design adds charm to every occasion and sparks conversation among guests. It is perfect for entertaining, picnics, parties, RV adventures, family gatherings, and stylish everyday serving. Relax in comfort and enjoy every outdoor moment. Meet the Suteck Tall Beach Chair, a backpack beach chair for adults with 6-position reclining, a cooler bag, cup holders, and a folding design for beach, camping, outdoor, sand, and travel uses. The elevated 14-inch seat, extra high backrest, adjustable pillow, and supportive armrests provide outstanding comfort, while making it easier to sit down and stand up. A built-in cooler bag, cup holder, and storage pocket keep your essentials within reach, while padded shoulder straps ensure easy carrying. Built with a durable frame and quality fabric, it is perfect for beach days, camping, fishing, sporting events, and outdoor adventures. Enjoy every outdoor meal with lightweight convenience. Introducing the Aomiun Bowls and Utensils Set, a lightweight, portable titanium plate with a folding handle and forks, spoons, travel cutlery, and dinnerware for outdoor camping, backpacking, hiking, and picnic adventures. Crafted from durable titanium and stainless steel, this rust-resistant set is built for long-lasting performance while remaining easy to carry. The folding handles provide a secure grip, help prevent burns, and fold away for compact storage. 3 nesting bowl sizes, foldable utensils, and the included drawstring bag save valuable backpack space. It is perfect for camping, travel, picnics, office lunches, and everyday outdoor dining. Ignite every barbecue moment with effortless grilling precision. Meet the Lucalda Skewers, double-pronged flat stainless steel barbecue skewers with a push-bar kebab skewer, skewer sticks for camping or family, and reusable barbecue accessories designed to easily push food with a slider system. The innovative push-bar design lets you remove grilled food smoothly while keeping the skewers clean and ready for repeated use. Flat dual blades prevent spinning and ensure even cooking, while the 17-inch professional-grade length handles large cuts with stability. An ergonomic big handle reduces fatigue and improves grip control during grilling sessions. Made from premium stainless steel, it is perfect for camping, backyard barbecues, picnics, and family gatherings. Enjoy home-like comforts even in the most remote campsites. Introducing the Zempire Portacamp, a fully self-contained portable toilet that offers a strong, reliable, and hygienic toilet solution designed specifically for camping in remote locations. A dependable sanitation system is essential for comfortable outdoor living, and this unit delivers with twin flush nozzles and piston flush pump technology that provides a thorough rinse and keeps the basin clean after every use. The waste level gauge eliminates guesswork, while the detachable design makes transport and disposal simple. Featuring splash-free emptying with a pressure release valve and large waste spout, this 20-litre portable toilet is perfect for family camping, caravanning, and off-grid adventures. Dry your clothes anywhere without bulky racks or complicated setups. Introducing the Packgoape Retractable Travel Clothesline, a portable clothesline with heavy-duty pulleys and carabiners designed for outdoor camping, travel, and indoor home use. A reliable drying solution is essential when you're on the move, and this wind-proof clothes drying rope delivers with heavy-duty construction crafted from braided PP material that resists fraying and stretching. It's an easy setup retractable clothesline design that uses sturdy stainless steel carabiners for instant attachment, while the anti-slip clothes drying line features 2 ratchet pulleys that keep the rope tight and elevated. Compact, lightweight, and portable, it's perfect for drying clothes, towels, socks, and more anywhere. Turn your tailgate into a practical workstation for every adventure. Meet the Mabett Tailgate Table, a carbon steel foldable MOLLE panel double-layer cargo shelf compatible with Bronco accessories, designed to maximize storage, organization, and convenience on the road. A reliable work surface is essential for camping, overlanding, and outdoor activities, and this table delivers with a double-layer design that provides ample workspace for cooking, gear setup, or repairs. Its prevention of swaying noise system uses upgraded spring locks, an independent panel lock, and rubber strips for exceptional stability. The multifunctional design includes a built-in bottle opener, cup holders, and a foldable molly panel, while effortless installation requires no drilling or modifications. Keep your grill station cleaner, safer, and more organized with a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. Introducing the Wzgusxn Silicone Grill Mat, a heat-resistant countertop protector designed for blackstone griddles and outdoor grills. Every outdoor cook needs protection from grease, scratches, and heat damage, and this durable food-grade silicone mat delivers exactly that. Built to withstand temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it features a non-slip grill pad bottom, an integrated tool organizer, and a grease catcher to keep spatulas, tongs, and accessories within reach. Waterproof, easy to clean, and built to last, it helps maintain a tidy cooking area. Perfect for backyard grilling, outdoor kitchens, patios, decks, and barbecue prep stations. Stay fresh no matter how far your adventure takes you. Introducing the Venture Tea Tree Oil Body Wipes, all-purpose adventure wipes for adults designed to deliver a quick, refreshing cleanse when showers aren't an option. Cleanliness is essential during camping, hiking, travel, and outdoor activities, and these biodegradable cleansing wipes make it effortless. Infused with invigorating tea tree oil, soothing aloe, and nourishing vitamin E, they help refresh and revitalize skin while remaining gentle to use. Each wipe is large, durable, and individually wrapped for freshness, portability, and convenience. Perfect for camping essentials, gym sessions, backpacking trips, road travel, outdoor adventures, and quick cleanups on the go. Light up your campsite or garden with a simple accessory that keeps essentials exactly where you need them. Meet the Kuyafenni Outdoor Light Hook, a versatile camping tent lamp hanger designed for outdoor convenience and reliable support. Staying organized is essential when camping or decorating outdoor spaces, and these sturdy, non-slip pole hooks make hanging gear effortless. Made from durable stainless steel and iron, they resist rust, erosion, and heavy use. The S-shaped rotating design locks securely onto trees, branches, railings, brackets, and poles without tools. Perfect for hanging camping lanterns, bird feeders, garden lights, wind chimes, water bottles, decorations, Christmas lights, and other outdoor accessories. Turn your vehicle into a spacious outdoor base camp in minutes. Introducing the Joytutus Inflatable SUV Tent, a versatile shelter designed to deliver comfort, convenience, and flexibility for family adventures. A reliable camping setup is essential when traveling with multiple people, and this tent makes it effortless with a 60-second setup air inflation system that creates 30% more space for 4 to 6 campers. Compatible with SUV, CUV, MPV, Jeep, van, or ground camping, it features dual-use functionality, double doors, and 2 adjustable awnings for ventilation and shade. Built from waterproof 600 denier Oxford fabric with reinforced safety features, it's perfect for family camping, outdoor movie nights, storage, dressing space, and extended road trips. Pack more gear and travel farther without sacrificing cabin comfort. Introducing the Workpro Rooftop Cargo Carrier Roof Bag, a waterproof roof rack cargo carrier designed to maximize storage for every road trip and outdoor adventure. Extra cargo space becomes essential when carrying camping equipment, luggage, and travel essentials, and this carrier delivers an impressive 21 cubic feet of capacity for 6 to 8 suitcases, tents, sleeping bags, and more. Built from heavy-duty 840D PVC with a seamless waterproof design, it includes an anti-slip mat, 6 door hooks, and 10 reinforced adjustable straps for secure installation. Perfect for vehicles with or without a rack, camping trips, family vacations, hiking adventures, and long-distance travel. Take your recovery routine to the next level with a cold plunge designed for serious results. Introducing the Polar 15 Portable Ice Bath Tub, a spacious 99-gallon cold plunge pool built for effective muscle recovery, relaxation, and wellness. Recovery is essential after intense workouts, and this portable ice bath delivers professional-level cold water therapy wherever you need it. Its durable 3-layer construction combines a PVC inner layer, pearl foam middle layer, and nylon outer layer for tear-resistant waterproof performance. The comfortable design accommodates users up to 6 feet 7 inches tall, while the easy drainage system simplifies maintenance. Perfect for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, home gyms, outdoor use, and post-workout recovery sessions. Enjoy every outdoor meal with a complete dining solution packed into one compact kit. Introducing the Acelane Camping Mess Kit, a stainless steel camping plate, dishes, and camping utensils set designed for 1 or 2 people who love adventure. Having reliable tableware is essential when camping, backpacking, hiking, or traveling, and this 11-piece set includes plates, bowls, cups, cutlery, a straw, a cleaning brush, a carabiner, and storage bags to cover all outdoor dining needs. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel and BPA-free silicone, it is durable, lightweight, reusable, and easy to clean. Perfect for backpacking, hiking, picnics, barbecues, RV travel, beach trips, and everyday outdoor meals. Upgrade your campsite setup with a table built for real outdoor living. Introducing the Zempire Slatpac Large Camping Table, the ultimate versatile table designed for family camping trips, backyard gatherings, and outdoor adventures. A reliable surface is essential when sharing meals, playing games, or preparing food outdoors, and this table delivers strength, flexibility, and portability in one smart design. Engineered to transform from a stable dining table to a low coffee table, it adapts to every campsite need. Featuring a rust-proof aluminium frame, clip-on slat tabletop, and individual adjustable legs, it stays steady on uneven ground. Perfect for family meals, card games, and outdoor food preparation. Start your fire faster, even in the toughest outdoor conditions. Introducing Zippo Tinder Shreds, a reliable fire-starting essential designed for campers, hikers, and survival enthusiasts who need quick ignition when it matters most. In the outdoors, fire is not just comfort, it is a necessity for warmth, cooking, and safety, and these Tinder Shreds make that process effortless. 15 2-inch natural shredded pine Tinder Shreds burn up to 8 minutes each, coated with water-resistant paraffin wax for dependable performance in wet conditions. They ignite easily with spark or flame, come in a resealable package, and are lightweight for easy carry. Perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, and emergency fire starting. Those are 20 genius camping inventions changing the outdoor game. Which of these useful camping gadgets is your favorite? Tell us in the comments below. You can find links to all this cool camping gear in the description. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with your favorite camping buddy, subscribe for more camping gear reviews and expert camping hacks. See you in the next adventure.